Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best Paracord survival bracelets this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. A25K2 Peak Paracord Survival Bracelet. A25 Protection tells us what it truly means to be an outdoor survivalist with this double pack of Paracord survival bracelets. If you're a bit shocked at the cost, don't worry, we were too. They keep their production costs low so they can give you the very best prices of just about any survival bracelet on the market. K2 Peak Paracord Survival Bracelet includes an embedded compass with remarkable accuracy. If your GPS isn't working or you don't actually have a full body compass, you'll just turn to your wrist to find your way home. You also get an emergency knife, excellent for cutting away cloth, opening packaging, and in a hairy situation, using it as self-defense. Even if you're going on a 4-man hiking trip, you can get one for every member involved for under 20, that's killer. If you're separated, use the included whistle to signal one another. Worst case scenario is you end up spending the cold night along in the woods. Use the fire starter to keep yourself warm by the campfire until morning. The best key features are: includes compass, fire starter, whistle and emergency knife. Available in over 2 dozen styles to suit your needs. 2 for the price of 1. 2. The Friendly Swede 500 pounds Paracord Survival Bracelet. Boasting 500 pounds of stress and durability, this excellent Paracord survival bracelet allows for use in high-stress situations. Whether you're using this to slide down a rope or deploying your emergency paracord, you'll be left wondering how you ever lived without one of these. Stylish and ready for EDC, the Friendly Swede 500 pounds Paracord survival bracelet actually maintains its performance when wet. You can't always control the weather conditions out in the wilderness, but you can control how your equipment functions in said conditions. This ensures you aren't left with your pants around your ankles in a survival situation. The Friendly Swede is seriously thrilled about this product, and hold nothing back when offering their lifetime warranty. The durability, stainless steel bow shackle and 500 pounds of pressure retention speak for themselves in this situation. This extra beefy bracelet works for you in emergencies, and comes in 3 sizes, with an adjustable band to contour to basically anyone. Flexible, breathable, the perfect item that your EDC has been missing all this time. The best key features are: 500 pounds of pressure make this a multi-tool, not just a bracelet. Comes with spare pin and adjustable sizing. Stylish enough for EDC. 3. Explore Gear Double Emergency Paracord Survival Bracelets. The ultimate emergency survival kit fits on your wrist in the form of an inexpensive, excellent paracord bracelet. Dive right into the details with an included flint fire starter tucked away for emergency situations. Either craft a signal fire, or use it when you can't find the lighter to get the grill going. Works either way. Explore Gear Double Emergency Paracord Survival Bracelets also includes a whistle. Chime into your mates when you're out on the trail to keep track of each other's positions, and ensure nobody is getting left behind. Hop on over to your embedded compass, amazing accuracy, durable, and vibrant. We initially had a lot more bracelets to put on this list that included compasses, but none of them stood up to the test of Explore. Their compass casings broke within the first week. Explore puts insane, immeasurable quality into such an inexpensive item. The best key features are: comes with a fire starter, scraper, compass and more. 2 for the price of 1 is never a bad thing. 25 plus styles to choose from. 4. Gecko Equipment King Cobra. You want to look good in your Paracord survival bracelet? Gecko's got you covered. Equipment King Cobra looks smart on anyone's wrist, while including the functions you need in emergency survival situation. On their sales page, they talk about 10 different ways that you can benefit from their bracelet in survival situations. You get 1 stainless steel D-ring to loop your bracelet together, as well as a spare screw and over 60 feet of inner rope on the 7-ring interior. That's just nuts, no matter how you look at it. If you showed someone your wrist and told them there's 60 feet of rope there, they may not even believe you. They're so confident that you'll love their product and find it insanely useful, that they've slapped on a 100% satisfaction guarantee with manufacturer direct contact information. They're not hiding behind some third-party warranty distributor. They're serious, and they want you in their King Cobra bracelet. The best key features are: 350 pounds of resistance retention. Lifetime warranty by manufacturer direct. Fire starter included. 5. RNs Star 500 pounds. Last but not least, we get into RNs Stars Take On a 500 pounds Paracord survival bracelet. Use this to hoist food above your campsite when you're heading off-site, or utilize the included fire sticks to get a fire going in a snap. This bracelet includes an ultra-durable compass, and brilliant knife that actually comes with serrated edges. Acting as a miniature version to survival or tactical knives you may have used in the past. Includes an emergency whistle to use when you get lost, and fire starter to kick things off without any hassle. This is exactly the type of survival bracelet you want your child, teenager, wearing around their wrist or even their ankle when you're all camping. This allows everyone to be safe, and provides you with some peace of mind that they'll be okay. The best key features are 500 pounds of pressure retention. Survival kit on your wrist. Stylish while providing killer 4-way function.